Today we're gonna do a deep dive into a new platform called StakerX. This is a DeFi platform that just came out on the market a couple of weeks ago. I just got started myself personally. So I'm gonna show you what are my results with this platform, what does it do, how does it make you crypto every single day. And let's take a deep dive. So you can stake Ethereum, you can earn daily from Solana, Bitcoin, BNB, Tron, USDC on Solana is the primary coin that we stake, but they just recently added additional tokens. So without going further, I want to make a strong disclaimer. This is DeFi space. This is obviously there's risks involved. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm going to show you how much I staked and what are my results. And I'm also going to reveal the bonus. For those people that stay till the end, I'm going to show you really powerful bonus that you can use for any crypto platform to increase your earnings by getting referrals using my proven method. So how does it work? StakerGPT is basically it's agentic crypto-perpetual trading. Every trade is on the record. You can see the trades here. They're averaging anywhere from 2 to 3%. Well, yesterday was 3.68%, which is really awesome. And the trades you can see transparently every single day. They post their trades. They do Bitcoin trade, Link trade, Solana trade, Doge trade, Hype trade. And I'm going to show you my back office in a second as well. So, for example, if you look at the calendar, yesterday 3.68%. On August 3rd, 3.95%. This is really, really good. 3.2% on August 2nd and 3.03% on August 1st. Now, you also have FAQ section as well. So any type of question you may have, you're going to get answered. What is the StakerX? Well, StakerX is a crypto staking and yield platform powered by StakerGPT. You know, we live in the age of AI agents, you know, LLMs and all that jazz. Why not use that for our advantage and generate crypto every single day without exposing our risk to manual trades where you can get liquidated, you know? Been there, done that. Can I get an amen, you know? So this is algorithmic internal crypto-perpetual trading system. Users stake supported stablecoins. StakerX operates the trading system internally. You don't have to think about it. You don't need to know what that means. All you know, it's generating anywhere from 1 to 3% every 24 hours, payouts 7 days a week, and withdrawals are really fast. You can restake your earnings. Where can you see the results? Well, I just show you the results in your calendar and the dashboard. What are the risks? Let's talk about risks. Staking with StakerX involves risk, including trading performance risk, technology risk, and regulatory risk. StakerX manages trading risk with setup filtering, position sizing, stop loss, and drawdown controls. That's very important. What assets can I stake? A lot of people were chatting me up yesterday asking me about this platform. So here's what official document says. Right now we can stake USDC on Solana, but they just recently added USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and Binance coin and Tron. So those are the most popular tokens and the most popular coins you can stake with this protocol. How long is the stake period? Well, the minimum stake is $10 and each stake runs for full 30-day cycle with daily yield credited daily while the stake is active. Do I need trading experience? No, you don't. Users do not manage leverage. You do not manage futures and entries. You don't watch the charts. You don't take manual trades. It's fully automatic. Can I withdraw my principal before day 30? No, you cannot. Principal stays committed for the full 30-day cycle and unlocks at maturity date. Daily yield is different. It's credited to available balance and it's earned in real time. So you can withdraw your profits throughout the cycle every single day. Can I expect any specific daily yield? Active stakes receive average daily yield from 1 to 3% every 24 hours. Oh, referrals. So a lot of you guys familiar with obviously so many other crypto platforms where we get paid on multiple levels. Well, guess what? This one is only one level. And I think it's a good thing because it's gonna allow a platform to succeed for the longer term because there's no like 10 levels breakdown of the referral commissions. Referrals earn anywhere from 5 to 15% on the staked amount from each eligible stake made by the users they invite to StakerX platform. The reward is credited to your account balance when the referral stake activates, subject to eligibility and anti-abuse checks. And your referral commissions can be withdrawn, held, or staked like any other balance. How much daily yield we already covered. How's the daily yield calculated? $4,000 active stake at an applied daily rate of 2%. Gross daily yield is $20. The 5% StakerGPT performance fee is $1, so the net account gain is $19. Can I withdraw my daily yield? Yes, absolutely. You can withdraw your daily profits every single day from StakerX. What happens when my stake ends? Well, at the end of the cycle, your principal becomes available again with any daily yield from that stake that you have not already withdrawn. You can withdraw the available funds, open a new stake manually, or keep auto restake enabled. This is really awesome. So rewards, 1 to 3% average daily yield. Everything is published. I like the transparency of this platform. It's fully transparent. They show every single trade. Referrals, you earn 5% to 15% on every stake your referrals make. So for example, somebody invests up to $5,000, anywhere from $10 to $5,000, you get 5% referral. Anything over 5,000 is 7%, anything over 10,000, 8%, so on and so forth. For those bigger players that invest over 100,000, you earn 15%. So that's $15,000 commission right there. So let's log into my back office, and then I'm going to reveal my bonus in a second. So check this out. So I started with $2,500 yesterday or 2 days ago, and already generated $49 from just staking protocol. No referrals whatsoever. As of this video right now, 0 referrals. $49 profit generated, hands off. No manual trading, just letting the platform do its thing. So I really like it so far. I like the clean interface. I like that I can see all the transactions here whenever it loads. Okay, so yield rate 2.05%, yield rate 2.03% minus, because 3% minus management fees. So that makes sense. Referrals, I got 0 as far as I know. As of me publishing this video, recording this video, I believe I have 0 referrals. So there you go. $49 generated, hands off, without any referrals. Now, I think a lot of you guys gonna like this platform, and I think you guys gonna really love this. So for those people that want to refer people and make more money, you can also use my bonus. So I've been using this strategy to generate referrals using Telegram, cheap Telegram ads. And I reveal everything in this private training that I put together. It's only like 10 minutes long. It's very easy to consume and understand how it works. I go over different channels, how to run ads, how to track them, and how to generate results for any platform. So if you've been struggling before to bring referrals, Alex, I don't know how to bring referrals. Well, there you go. There's your bonus. You can use that for any platform, StakerX or anything else, and you can generate unlimited number of referrals. Basically, it's all about your budget for the ads, right? But they're super cheap compared to Facebook ads or Google ads or YouTube ads or any other ads for that matter. Telegram ads are the most cost-effective way to bring targeted crypto audiences into different crypto platforms, bar none. So I believe we covered everything in this platform. This resonates with you. I'll put a link in the description and the pinned comment so you can join me. Also, I'll put a link into my Telegram group so you can follow my journey along the way. And with that, take massive action. Check it out. I think this is going to be for the long term. And StakerX so far, thumbs up. So with that, take massive action. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care and God bless.